Greetings, this is Jordan from the Sdwan TAC team. In this video, I will guide you through the procedure to generate an admin tag within a Sdwan environment and how to subsequently upload it to a TAC case. Please be aware that the Sdwan Manager featured in this tutorial runs on version 20.12.3. We will now outline the steps to generate an admin tag file in the following scenarios. Scenario 1. From Sdwan Manager UI for a reachable device. For this scenario, ensure that you have access to the controller's UI and that the device status is shown as reachable on the controller. Begin by signing into the Sdwan Manager using the proper credentials. It is important to note that admin tag file creation requires the user to possess netadmin rights or to be part of a customer user group with right access to the Tools tab. Then, navigate to Tools and select Operational Commands. If you need to generate the admin tag file for the Sdwan Manager specifically, you can perform this directly via the Generate Admin Tag for vManage button located below the search bar. A new window will appear where you must select the appropriate options. If the controller has experienced a crash, mark the core option, otherwise select Log and Text. Conclude by clicking the Generate button and you may now close the window that appeared. You can monitor the progress of the file generation using the Show Admin Tag List button situated below the search bar. Please note that it is possible to generate multiple admin text files concurrently by repeating the previous steps. Once the files are prepared, the download, delete, and upload icons will become available. To complete the process, select the download icon to save the file to your local system, after which you may proceed to upload it to the case via the Support Case Manager. Scenario 2. From CLI for a Cisco CH router. For this scenario, ensure you have SSH access to the CH router. Begin by connecting to the CH router through SSH. Enter the command Request Platform Software Sdwan Admin Tag. You can now proceed to transfer the file from the router's boot flash using TFTP, FTP, or SCP to an external server from which it can be easily downloaded. We will now outline the steps to upload an admin tag file in the following scenarios. Scenario 1. From the Sdwan Manager UI to the service request. Navigate to the Show Admin Tag List button, which will display a list of available admin tags that can be uploaded to the service request. Select the Upload button for the admin tag you wish to upload, and fill in the required fields, such as the service request number, the upload token, and the VPN for file transfer with public internet connectivity. How to use Support Case Manager to retrieve the token. To retrieve the upload token, follow these steps. Step 1. Log into ASCM. Step 2. Access the case in question to obtain the upload token. Step 3. Expand the attachment section. Step 4. Select Generate Token. The token will then be generated so you can copy it to your clipboard. After obtaining the token, click the Upload button. A confirmation message saying Upload Successful will appear, indicating the file has been successfully uploaded to the service request. Scenario 2. From a Sdwan controller or a Viptela Edge router via CLI to the SR. For this scenario, ensure you have SSH access to the controller with public internet connectivity. For Viptela OS devices, after requesting the admin tag via CLI and upon moving it to the home directory, enter the following command to upload it directly to the SR. When prompt for the password, provide the token previously obtained from the Support Case Manager. Scenario 3. From a Cisco Edge router via CLI to the SR. For this scenario, ensure you have SSH access to the CH router and that the router has public internet connectivity. This instruction is exclusive to CH routers. Following the generation of the admin tag file via CLI, input the command below to start the direct upload to the service request. When prompt for the password, enter the upload token that was retrieved from the Support Case Manager earlier. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.